Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for this show. It's been a while since I make the last video unboxing the olive young stuff. Today I'm gonna do another unboxing of all the products that I bought from Yami. It's a Chinese international e-commerce selling all kinds of things, and you can find basically everything in there. But I like them, but I don't like them that much because I don't really know if the products are like legit or like really real products. But most of the time I like them because it's international and it's kind of faster than other website or something that I couldn't find on US website. I can find it on there. So basically this is what I got. It's another box, but it's so big but doesn't have that many things in it, so don't expect too much, guys. Basically this box has we got home like a week or two ago, but because I'm kind of like delayed or like pushed back, and I was tired after work, so I don't really take time to film this video. But today basically I kind of start using one of the products already, but I'm going to show you guys what I bought. So the box is mainly every time I buy something it's gonna be like restock of what I already use most of the time, or like I see something that new or I haven't tried before and I saw it hype up on TikTok or on YouTube, and I'm gonna try to get it and then use it to see if it actually works and it's like people said. So the first thing that in the box is really yellow is this one. I think you guys all know about these products because it's been like the most trending products on TikTok recently, like the last few months, because this brand Alibaba is having the best serum, like truffle serum for any situation. Like you can use it as a serum, as a setting spray, a spray mist for any time of the day when you need to touch up, refresh, and it's gonna give you a nice glowy skin, and it's really natural, and it said it's premium vegan. So I got this at a deal, so buy one get one free, and it's I use this. I bought in one box before. I bought it on Olive Young when it has sales, but I almost done with the second bottle already, so that's why I'm trying to restock it because I love it a lot. I use it many days before my main serum. This is like a pre-serum kind of layer before I apply like a treatment for my skin, but it worked really well and give me a nice glowy skin. Sometimes I use this before and during my makeup to like set the foundation, the cushion, or set my concealer before I apply the powder or the other products on my skin. So the mist is really fine and thin, so you spray it, feel like it's super nice and feel easy. You don't have to try or you don't have to press so hard on it. But yeah, if you guys haven't tried it, I highly recommend the products. I think I heard some another YouTuber or somebody say that this product is basically for dry skin, but I think it works well with me, like combination oily skin, and it's really enhance my skin and help it make a nice glow, because I don't usually like glowy skin because it looks like I have oil on my skin. But for this one it's do the opposite. It gives you a naturally glass looking skin. So you don't need to use spray a lot, just like 3-4 spray and it's gonna do a job. You can, after you set your face with this spray, and you can use before and after makeup and any time of the day. So you can try it, and then I will put the link down in the description for you to buy it, to try it if you haven't, and I think you're gonna like it just like that. Next one. What is this? I think most of you guys already know what this is because Subaki is very famous hair products for really shiny, and they have different lines of hair products, like for damaged hair, for dry hair, for treatment, but I like this hair mask, and it gives you a really soft and shiny hair after you shower, after you shampoo and conditioner. I apply it like once a week, and I keep it on for like 2 minutes before I wash it with water. I will apply it on the end of my hair. So I don't know how many of these I bought already, but I always come back to this. I know there's a Moroccan oil, the American brand, that really nice and have the similar treatment, but I like this, and it's more like affordable, very cheap. Even you use like twice a week, you can like have a good amount of use before it's go out. And yeah, you see, this is a good product. This one is another restock one, because I bought this before. I tried once. I bought it on Style, and it's a setting spray for makeup. So basically, it's from Juicy Blue. It's that 3-in-1 boosting mist fixer, and it's a Korean brand. I bought this like a year ago. I use it, and it's like a little bit go along the way, and I think I kind of like it. It gives you like a nice matte finish after the spray, the mist set. I think this is have really fine mist. Even I like the MAC fixed blush a lot, but sometimes when I spray it, you know, a lot of the air bubble or a lot of the big drop of water that's just like get into my face, and it affect my makeup. But this one you never get that problem, and it's super really super nice and fine, because that essential more micro fitting mist, and I think it does the job. That's why I get this again. So it's not quite small, it's not small, but it's like short, and it's easy for travel. So I want to use this, bring this on my travel products. Next one is one of my favorite sunscreen. So I'm not buying one, but I'm buying two of these, and just really random. One day I traveled to Japan, and because I'm out for my sunscreen, I go to one of the kind of like a drugstore shop in Japan, and I got these. And it said it's sunscreen protection with SPF 50 plus and PA 4 plus, which means it's like highly sun protected. So I got this in Japan, and I use it over my trip, and I really like it because it's super nice and smooth on your skin, and it have a little bit tint that help brighten up your skin. So this one I have two types. One is the original, it's just like a hint of like brighten up your skin, but this one is kind of like a tinted sunscreen, and it have more of like nude beige, like natural skin color, and then it's just like enhance your natural bright skin with a little bit of tint of beige. It's really helpful for the makeup, and it sets really nicely and not too dry. Some of the sunscreen product is dry out your skin, or you can see it, but it's set and kind of powdery, and I don't like that. This one will work really nicely. It's kind of like more on the moisturizing side, but then I don't mind it. It's set on my skin really nicely. I think this will work a little bit better for people with dry or combination dry skin, because it's really helping moisturize. Obviously, as you can say, it works for all types of skin. It doesn't break me out, or it doesn't affect the foundation or the layer underneath, or any treatment that I use underneath. So I always reach back to this, even though I tried quite a few different sunscreen from different brands before, and I do like them, but if I said my favorite is this one is my favorite. I'm using the color one right now. This one I want to save for later. Next, I have this. I don't know if you guys noticed about these products, but this is like half a year or a year ago. This is one of the trending products, like really popular on TikTok, because you know when I still remember I saw the TikTok video showing that one of the girls with like wet oily hair, and then her friend was showing like spray this on her bang, and then in a second she used the comb to comb her hair, and then it's like it's all like fluffy and full and volume and dry. You don't see any grease or any oiliness on her hair. So it's like it became viral all over the internet, and then I got into like really slow following those trends, and now I start using it, and actually use it like twice already. And what I can say about this is like I think it works better than Moroccan oil dry shampoo. It's very expensive, and then this one is like a third of the price only, and it smells really nice. I think it smells like fruity and floral. It's very fragrant, but I don't want mine to smell because it smells really nice. It's not like chemical or anything, but they did a really good job on making the smell nice, natural, and then really work with my hair, because you know I only shower like 2-3 times a week, and then most of the time after gym my hair is gonna be really bad, really oily and sweat and wet, and it's like weighing my hair down. So it's like one day that I still need to do something before now, and then I need my hair to look nice. I just use this, and like in a second my hair become like just like when I just step out from the shower after a shampoo. And then no, I don't even dry my hair, but it's make my hair like volumize my hair, and it's make it fluffy. It doesn't leave the white cast, because you know most of the hair products you're gonna see the white part from the powder, and it's gonna stay there if it's like stick to your hair, it's not dissolve it. But this is way better. You guys must try it. I think it's from a Chinese brand, and it's at 150 ml, and the smell is sweet grapefruit. Wow, must try. I think I'm gonna really buy it later when I'm out. Oh, I didn't know I got this. What is this? Oh, so this is Truly Doll Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. I didn't even know that I ordered it. So it's just like a little extra. What color is this? This is a walnut brown. I think Truly Doll already really popular on TikTok China, and this brand a lot of Chinese YouTuber use, and it's in the range of okay to a little bit expensive side, but the quality I guess is good. That's why a lot of beauty blogger or YouTuber use it on their channel, and I wanted to try for a long time ago, but I just like I'm not sure yet. So now it's like the very first item from Truly Doll that I'm gonna try. Hopefully I like it. This is like the line are very fine. The brown is nice because I don't want to use black, so I like to use natural eyeliner. And wow, and it's waterproof, but then I can see that it's bleed a little bit. I think you can see it's bleed out in my little wrinkles a little bit. But maybe it's gonna stay on my eyelid because my eyelids are oily, and usually I don't apply primer before makeup, before my eyeshadow, so and I use eyeliner a lot. So hopefully this does the trick, because I'm almost out of my eyeliner. The one I had is from Heroin Made, a Japanese brand. It is a good brand. I highly recommend you guys get that. But I think that's it. This is the last item that I bought. And basically all of these are restocked. It's something new. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Just as I mentioned, when I reach my 3,000 follower, subscriber, I'm gonna give you guys, I'm gonna do a giveaways for one of my favorite lipstick, and I'll let you guys know when I reach that, and then I'm gonna comment on the description box about how to enter the giveaway. And if you have more time, you can watch my other videos and like it. So I'll see you next time in my next video. I think I will do more makeup video for you guys soon. See you later. Good night. Bye bye.